A year into the pandemic, and it's taken a toll on the mental health of many. And tonight we are hearing how it's affected those who've been on the front lines since the very start. News 5's ERIN CHAPMAN shares the perspectives of some local medical providers about their journey over the last 12 months.
Day in and day out for the last 365 days, medical staff have been treating sick and dying COVID-19 patients, which in return has taken a toll on their mental health. This time 1 year ago,
it was a time of uncertainty because we just didn't know what was happening.
Hospitals around the world began to see more and more patients coming in with COVID-19.
We went from a marathon to an ultra marathon, and now it is something way beyond that.
Days turned into weeks, which eventually turned into months.
And in some cases, we just couldn't help people. And that takes a toll on you in your mental well-being.
Michelle is the director of emergency services at Penrose Hospital, and she says over the last year it wasn't easy for anyone in medicine to wake up every day knowing there would be another couple thousand more COVID-19 cases.
You go into medicine knowing that you're wanting to help people, but you never think that it's going to be of something of this large of a scale.
A year full of tireless hours, Shade says the only way she was able to get through it was by listening to her body.
You have to know when enough is enough, when you have to step away for a day or two.
So whether it be taking a step back,
every now and then I just had to say, you know what, I need to get out and get some air and get some sun.
Or talking to someone.
We can't go on just plugging away, taking care of patients if we're not also taking care of ourselves.
Dr. Dee Thompson of Centura Health says she urged medical staff to support one another as they were all trying to navigate what exactly the pandemic entailed.
Everything was magnified. All the things that physicians usually deal with was so much greater than what was usual.
A year full of change and learning later,
we feel hope. We feel hope now that we have the vaccination. We're able to get it not only to our associates, but also in the community, that we're finally on the right path.
Now, Centura Health also offers a 24-hour access to therapists for their medical staff. It's something that Dr. Thompson says has truly helped. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. ERIN CHAPMAN, News 5.